in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Brianna Spiegel, files number 24-21737FH and 24-21738FH. This is the date time set for a show cause in this matter. Ms. Spiegel was ordered to appear. She's failed to do so. She's not in my waiting room. I do not see her in the courtroom. I will issue a bench warrant for her arrest, and I will set bond on each file in the amount of $25,000 cash.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Let's see, Mr. Malaro and Mr. Murphy, I do have the jail, but they are not live, so we're waiting for them to put your client in. Mr. Fleming, I have Mr. Komarchik.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. We can't hear you that well. So this is Mr. Komarchik. You want to start your video and your audio, please? Jordan Komarchik. Maybe not. All right, Mr. Murphy. Oh, wait, there he is. All right, Mr.
Forgive me, Your Honor.
Good morning. Did I pronounce your name correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Right. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jordan Alexander Komarchik. This is the date and time set for arraignment. Mr. Murphy, I do have your client, so give me just a second. I have Christopher Fleming appearing on behalf of the defendant, and I'm going to go with Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time, as I said, for arraignment. Mr. Fleming, do you waive the reading of the felony information?
We do. We stand mute and ask for a pretrial in about 6 weeks' time, Judge.
All right, and I misspoke. This is actually an AG case. I do not have an AG, but that's fine. And you said for 6 weeks out?
That's correct, Judge. We're just working on getting everything to try to get paid off here.
December 17 at 8:30 in the morning, because it's arraignment. My staff will do the notice of hearing. But Mr. Komarchik, write that down. December 17 at 8:30 in the morning, same Zoom number, all right?
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, Mr. Murphy went out. Mr. Malaro, I do have Mr. Barry. Malaro? I got Mr. Murphy. All right.
Your Honor, Mr. Murphy is going to handle the arraignment.
Okay, I always thought you guys were a pair on these two, so.
Well, we're working as a pair, but.
Okay. All right, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Trenton, Carl Mark Berry, file number 25-22433FC. Says the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people, and I have Matthew Murphy appearing on behalf of Mr. Berry. Mr. Murphy, do you waive the reading of the felony information?
Yes, Your Honor, we're acknowledging receipt of said information. Looks like it was signed on October 20th, 2025, as well as the witness list and the discovery demand by the prosecution, again, signed on October 20th, 2025. Would ask the court enter and continue a not guilty plea at this time and set a pretrial sometime in early December, I think might be appropriate.
When is the pretrial on the other criminal file?
Well, a final pretrial, I think, this Friday or next Friday. So it's probably next Friday.
You don't know.
Well,
31st, Judge.
Yeah,
Okay.
next Friday.
So I'm going to set this for pretrial on October 31, just so I have both files together at 8:30 in the morning. Is it 8:30, Miss Adams?
Judge, that is 8 a.m. And if I could get clarification if we want him in person or not.
We do want them in person for that final pretrial.
Yep, in person. So we'll set this for a pretrial October 31 at 8 a.m. That'll be in person. And I'll enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of Mr. Berry. All right, thank you. We'll mail the notice out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. My last arraignment would be Nathan Steers. Do I have Michael Dagger, Mark Rosian? I do not. Mr. Berry, you are all set, okay? All right, Diane Malatirno, I thought I saw you somewhere. Yep, I do.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Miss. Miss Adams, I can't locate the Steers file, but that's fine. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Nathan Dwayne Steers, file number 25 dash. Oh, that's because arraignment was waived, right, Miss Moliterno? Oh, no, wait, I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong one. Bowie. In the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Todd Bowie, I was trying to get my arraignments done first. File number 25-22401FH. I have Diane Moliterno appearing on behalf of Mr. Bowie and Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of people. Mr. Bowie is zooming in from the Lenawee County Jail. This is, as I said, the date and time set for pretrial. So, Miss Moliterno, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, I'm just looking for a few week adjournment. I have to go over some things with Mr. Bowie. There's possibly going to be a motion, so we're just asking for a few week adjournment on this.
All right, November 26th at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you.
All right, we'll set this for November 26th at 8:30 in the morning. And Miss Moliterno, if you could do the step in order to adjourn. Mr. Sneed, can she sign your name with permission?
Yes, thank you.
All right, Mr. Bowie, we'll see you back then. Thank you. Miss Moliterno, of course, if this matter gets resolved via plea, just let me know and I'll bring him in as soon as possible. All right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bowie.
Thank you.
Let's see. All right, Mr. Austin, if you could start your audio and your video, please. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Trevor Austin, file number 22-20788FH. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Austin, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people just because he's here. This is a probation violation pre-trial. Ms. Underwood, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, I have had conversations with Mr. Moore. Your Honor, Mr. Austin has been very successful in dealing with his issues that he had in other areas. All he has left is a matter that was before this probation, Your Honor. I've talked to Mr. Moore, and I believe Mr. Moore is going to dismiss this violation and discharge Mr. Austin from probation.
Mr. Moore?
Yes, Your Honor, he's done a good job clearing everything up in St. Joe County. He's currently serving 12 weekends of jail with 4 of those completed. And he doesn't have probation out there. That would be in regards to the violation. We can defer to that. And in Jackson County, he cleared that up.
So
He just
you
has
are
fines.
dismissing and terminating his probation?
Yes, if we can do that. I was just going to give you a background on what he's doing.
Okay.
And he's currently working full time and living in sober housing.
All right, so I will sign that. Mr. Austin, thank you for paying attention to this and taking care of things, and good luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, Benjamin Likens. Do I have Benjamin Likens? I don't see him. No. All right, Miss Underwood, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Benjamin Likens, 3 files, 23-21610FH, 23-21611FH, and 24-21736FH. I run Underwood on the first and the last file, and I do show an appellate counsel Cabello, who I did not see here today. on the middle file. So Ms. Underwood, Mr. Likens, I believe is absconded from our recovery court program as well. Have you heard from him?
I have no information as to Mr. Likens' whereabouts, Your Honor.
All right, Sarah Teskey, any input? Is any one of yours? Yeah.
He is, Judge. He's absconded from probation.
All right, I will issue a bench warrant for his arrest to appear, and I will set bond in the amount of 25,000 cash on each file. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Miss Adams, if you want to come get those files, you can. Okay, so there are a lot. All right, Miss Underwood, in the matter of people of the state of Michigan versus Amir Keyshawn Norman, file number 24-21913FH. We were informed by your office, thank you. No, that he may potentially be in custody in Wisconsin. And my assistant did reach out to Wisconsin, and I think they did communicate with us, but they didn't produce them. So he's not here. If he shows up later in the morning, I will let you know.
You know
Judge, there
where I
may be
am, Your Honor.
confusion with the time zone. So it might be 9:30.
All right. So they may not show up until 9:30, Miss Underwood. So you can check with us at the end of your call. All right.
Yep.
All right, Mr. Sinclair, you want to come up to the podium? Okay, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Matthew Richard Sinclair, file number 24-21920FH, 25-22245FH, and 25-22246FH. These are probation violation pre-trials. He is represented by Ron Underwood. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Darren Coast was kind enough to provide an update to the court that states that Mr. Sinclair continues to wear a GPS tether. He has been staying out of the half-mile radius of the victim's residence. Miss Underwood, I did receive a sentencing recommendation because I guess they do those in advance in district court. I always forget about that. And how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, I did discuss that with Mr. Sinclair on the phone, but I just want to have a brief breakout with him so I can actually show it to him.
Okay, so what I want you to do is
yesterday.
go in the, you know how to do it, but you know, yeah, make sure to be this one and not Judge Olsavers.
Okay.
And then when you zoom in, I will put you in a breakout room with Miss Underwood.
All right, thank you very much.
Do you want to look at this too?
Yeah.
I'll give him a copy of it, my copy.
Oh,
You take that
that
with
works
you and
even
go.
better, Your Honor. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm here to make your life easier, Miss Underwood. While he's doing that, I have Sky Shuntendo. So. Good morning, Mr. Tindo. If you want to start your video and your audio for me, please. Thank you. Take your hat off. All right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Sky Shuntendo. We have two files, 22-20717FC and 20-20027FH. I Ron Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Tindo. This is the date and time set for a violation of probation pretrial. Miss Underwood, how do you wish to proceed on behalf of Mr. Tindo?
Your Honor, I tried to get a hold of Mr. Tyndall. I was unable to. So could I speak to him in a breakout?
And also,
I'm
he has
sorry
not
to-
reported and he has not taken care of that warrant in district court. I'm
Okay,
about ready to
so,
do.
all right, everybody stop talking. Hold on. All right, so Mr. Tindo, you hang tight. Miss Underwood, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Sinclair. Mr. Sinclair, go ahead. Yep, and then I'm gonna send you a request to start your video. So start your video. Everybody was talking over each other and we can't record when we're doing that. So I'm gonna open up some breakout rooms and Mr. Sinclair, Miss Underwood, I'm gonna pop you in a breakout room.
Tyndall.
And sir, when you are done talking to Miss Underwood, just leave that device on because I might need it again, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And yep, and then just walk in the courtroom. All right. Did you get an invitation to join, Mr. Sinclair? Oh, yep, there he goes.
Miss Holly, I tried to call you yesterday. My
Hold up, Mr. Tyndall. I am running court right now, so we don't
Okay.
talk. You
All
just
right.
hang tight. Okay, so. Stephen Shelton in the courtroom?
Your Honor, that's my case.
I know it is, but I don't have your client. Do you know what,
I,
do you have him?
I don't have him. I spoke with Mr. He's available via Zoom. I spoke with Mr. McCready yesterday. My intention was to waive his.
Hold on, let me call the case. In the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Stephen Anthony Shelton, file number 25-22366FH. I have Nicholas Monterez appearing on behalf of the defendant and Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So now, Mr. Monterez, where is Mr. Shelton?
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I spoke with Mr. McCready yesterday. Our intention was to ask this court for an adjournment and put some more information in a bench conference if needed. But I spoke to Mr. McCready yesterday, who's the APA on the file. We intended to waive Mr. Shelton's appearance if that was okay with the court, or I can have him hop on Zoom for the purposes of
No,
asking for
that's
adjournment.
fine. How far out do you want it adjourned?
I got an email from Mr. McCready this morning that said they're going to need at least 30 days. So I'd be looking for 30 days, Your Honor.
Okay, so I have November 26th at 8:30 in the morning.
That works for me, Your Honor.
Okay, and can you do the step in order to adjourn? And Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right,
Thank you.
Mr. Sinclair, you want to come back up here? My bailiff's going to get that recommendation from you, just so I can put it back in my file. Back on the record with Mr. Sinclair.
Is there any way I could get a copy of that, Your Honor?
Probably from Mr. McCarron. Ms. Underwood, have you had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Sinclair?
I have, Your Honor. Thank you. And pursuant to the recommendation, we would ask that this matter be adjourned for 30 to 60 days so that Mr. Sinclair can continue to demonstrate the significant progress he's making. And also we would ask, Your Honor, if the court would consider allowing Mr. Sinclair off the GPS tether, Your Honor. Mr. Sinclair and the victim in this case both want to have the no contact dropped. We would accede to any requirements the court makes to do that. But that's the direction they would like to head, Your Honor, in this matter.
You're talking to Mary Reed, is that her name?
Maraid is.
Maraid Carpenter?
She's my stepdaughter.
Or Sarah?
Sarah.
Okay.
I don't
So,
believe he has any problem.
okay, so there are requirements, I believe, based on the charges that they have to follow through with to get the no contact lifted. And I don't have any documentation that they've done that.
I will check to see if they've done the John Bailey program.
You said about 30 days or 60 days out?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Adams, I'm gonna need a notice of hearing from Mr. Sinclair for December 17th. So Ms. Underwood, follow up with Mr. McCarron or whoever it is in district court and find out, because I think there are specific requirements for lifting the no contact, and then communicate that with Mr. Sinclair. If they accomplish that, then you can do a bench conference with me and Mr. McCarron and we can talk about lifting it, all right?
And that's December 15th, Your Honor?
December 17th.
December 7th.
At 8:30. Yep. And you just have a seat like over there behind you and we'll get you a notice, okay?
Judge,
Thank you.
Judge,
Yes.
I just pulled up that case and it looks like he does have a VOP pretrial on November 12th on the 21920 case. Do you want that moved?
Yeah, let's move them all to December 17. All right, now Miss Underwood, Mr. Tyndall, we're ready for you again. All right, so I'm gonna open up a breakout room for Miss Underwood and Mr. Tyndall. Maybe. All right, Mr. Tyndall, go ahead and join that breakout room with Miss Underwood. Mr. Let's see who is here. What? I don't know what case you're here for.
Brandon Saba, Your Honor. And
what's his last name?
Saba, SCBA. Pretrial, Your Honor, and
is that Judge Olsaver?
Judge, I believe it is.
You're in the wrong court. Go next door. All right, thank you. All right. We look a lot alike. People confuse us all the time. All right, so Mr. Malaro was here next. So I don't even think I have one with you, Sam Malaro. Oh, you're already back, Mr. Tyndall and Miss Underwood. All right. So we're back on the record in the matter of Skyshun Tyndall. So Miss Underwood, how do you want to proceed today?
Your Honor, just briefly, we would ask the court to continue the not guilty. Mr. Tyndall joined us from the hospital today where he just had a baby yesterday, Your Honor. That may be why he didn't see Miss Holly yesterday.
So
in addition, Your Honor, Mr. Tyndall continues to work at Bloomin' Roofing, and he has a check that he went astray, but he is going to make a significant payment when he gets it. So we would ask for a brief adjournment, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Tyndall, you need to bring some documentation to Miss Holly about the baby being born yesterday, just some from the hospital.
Yes,
you
Miss-
need to report. You have to report. So if you don't report, when do you want him to report, Miss Holly?
So I'm looking up, he last reported to me
It was the 6th.
September. No, you cannot talk right now. He last reported to me on 9/16. I haven't seen him since then. He keeps showing up to court.
Often is he supposed to
Last time
report?
he
What-
shut the door. He wouldn't even turn his camera on. He's supposed to report every other week, but I haven't seen him
Okay.
since September. And I don't know anything
so-
about this hospital. Mr. Moore happened to talk to his mother yesterday. She didn't say anything about a baby. Mr. Moore told her that he needed to report. So I'm done, and I'm about to do another warrant because he's got a driving unsuspended license that's new, and he hasn't shown up for that. So, and he's not reporting and not paying. This has kind of been going on a while.
So, Mr. Tyndall, you have to report. So,
Yes,
Miss
ma'am.
Holly, you want him to report Tuesday?
At 8 o'clock in the
right.
morning.
So, Mr. Tyndall, you need to report next Tuesday and any other day she tells you to. If
Yes,
you don't
ma'am.
report next Tuesday, I'm going to issue a bench warrant. We go above and beyond for you, of course.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
Mr. Tyndall, provide a hospital documentation, your bracelet, whatever to Miss Holly. But
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need to report next Tuesday, 8 o'clock with her, all right?
Thank you. Yes,
If
ma'am.
you
I'm
do
gonna-
not,
I am
I will
gonna-
sign a warrant for your arrest.
Okay.
All right, so
I'm
how
going to
far out,
probably
Miss
put out,
Underwood?
I'm going
We
to
didn't
add
catch
another
any of that,
short
Miss
call.
Holly, because you're talking same time I am.
Okay.
So, Miss Underwood, how far out did you want this?
Not very far, Your Honor.
All right, my next available is November 26th at
Thank
8:30
you.
in the morning. So, Mr. Tyndall, November 26th at 8:30 in the morning. And then that's the day before Thanksgiving, I think. And so you will report next Tuesday at 8 o'clock. If you don't, I'm gonna issue a warrant. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
I
Mr.
will-
Tendo, thank you.
Thank
I
you.
will be submitting a new show cause, adding the driving on suspended license.
That's fine. And congratulations on the baby. So
Thank you.
have a good day.
Thank you.
That's all
All
I have.
right. Thank you, Miss Holly.
Your Honor,
All
I
right.
believe with the exception of Mr. Sinclair or Mr. Norman, I believe my docket's done, so.
All right. Thank you, Miss Underwood. Have a good day.
Yeah.
All right, Cade Packard, want to come up to the podium, please? All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Cade Robert Packard, file number 25-22394FH. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Packard. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Malaro, I do have a letter dated October 21 from Darren Coast, our pretrial services coordinator. He states that Mr. Packard continues to test 2 times a week at the drug testing center. He is always positive for THC and is mostly positive for alcohol. Mr. Packard stated he recently applied for his medical marijuana card. We have not received that yet. And he does not have a no alcohol clause as part of his conditions. But he's not testing positive for meth, so bonus there. Mr. Malaro, how would you like to proceed today?
Judge, I'm going to ask to adjourn this matter one time. I spoke to Mr. Packard yesterday, discussed the plea offer. I think it would be beneficial if he came to my office before the next pretrial, if you were to grant it, so we could discuss it in depth and decide where to go next.
So, Mr. Malaro, I'm also supposed to tell you that we're missing the stipend order for today's court date. So you're going to need to do one from October 8. No, let's see, October 8 to 10/22, and one from 10/22 to November 26. Oh, actually, I'm not going to have you do the November 26th one because I'm going to give them notice. Ms. Adams, could I get a notice of hearing for November 26th at 8:30 for Mr. Packard? Okay, you're going to have a seat right behind you. We'll get you a notice of hearing.
Thank you, Judge. I'll get that into you.
All right, thank you. You just have a seat there. All right, Charity Smith. In the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Charity Christine Smith, file number 24-22056FH. Says the date time set for a pretrial. I do have the stipend order on this file, Mr. Malaro. So she has failed to appear on April 30th of this year, August 27th of this year. And I do not have her in my waiting room or in the courtroom. So, Mr. Malaro.
Judge, who is this? Who are we talking about?
Charity Smith.
Oh, I thought she was a Judge Olsaver case. Let me message her because that's probably where she's at. Because I've been communicating with her. She is well, I explained to Mr. Bayonetta what her situation is. But if you could give me a minute, Judge, let me see if I can get her on.
All right, and then I think, Mr. Malaro, that would be your last one with me. All right, Mr. Glazier, I have Jeremiah Beagle. All right, Mr. Beagle, if you can start your audio and your video, please. Hi, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan. You gotta take your hat off. Thank you. Jeremiah Beagle, file number 25-22187FH. I have John Glazier appearing on behalf of Mr. Glazier, or Mr. Beagle. And then I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a pretrial conference. Mr. Glazier, how would you like to proceed with Mr. Beagle?
Your Honor, Mr. Beagle is set up for a evaluation for criminal responsibility on November 19th. And Mr. Beagle, did you get that paperwork on where you got to go?
No, I was supposed to be in there today and pick it up.
Okay, get in there and pick it up because it's got a map and it tells you what to do, okay?
Okay.
All right,
I can do that.
Because you got to be up there on November 19th at 9 o'clock.
Okay, I'm going to write that down. November 19th at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, and we've got a letter and a map and everything to show you how to get there, okay?
Just like the last one. All right, thank you.
All right. So we need to adjourn this after the 19th, Your Honor.
All right, well, it takes a little bit longer. How about January 14 at 8:30 in the morning? Because they have to compile the report.
That's fine.
All right, we'll set this over to January 14 at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Beagle, write that down. Your next pretrial is January 14 at 8:30 in the morning. And make sure you go to your examination as well as that date, okay?
All right. Is it January 14th, 8:30, right? Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Yep, January 14th. All right, thank you, Mr. Beagle.
Yep.
Hey, Your Honor, if I may,
Yeah,
on that Packard case, we sent the stipend order to the prosecutor's office. Maybe they lost it somewhere. But we will send over a new one. We will
okay,
send
I
over a
thought
new
they
one.
you signed with permission, okay. All right, so, all right, Mr. Beagle, I'm gonna let you go.
Yep.
Bowers, Gregory Bowers, last but not least, right? Always last. Well, your last name starts with B, so usually you used to go in first. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Gregory Allen Bowers, file number 25-22231FH. I have John Glazier appearing on behalf of Mr. Bowers, and I have Dan Gumto appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a whole bunch of stuff. Did you go get your fingerprints done?
I called the state police number, the online one, and they gave me a number to call for here, and they won't answer the phone. I left messages.
They give you a number for here over at the prison?
Yeah, the prison number, and I left messages, and they won't call me back.
I don't doubt that. So, Becky, would you see if the jail would be willing to fingerprint him?
That's what I was gonna ask you.
Oh. Okay, so I have in my file a plea agreement, an amended felony information. The plea agreement is that the offer is that Mr. Bowers would plead guilty to a possession of cocaine. That is a 4-year felony. And there would be a Killebrew agreement between the prosecutor's office and the defense attorney that there would be no upfront jail. And they would dismiss count 1. And you'd be looking at probation and fines and costs. And as long as you never violated probation, there would be no jail term. Do you understand that? You would dismiss your habitual third offense notice, which is a third offense. So if you were to be convicted of count 1, which is a 10-year felony, you could be looking at life in prison. So, Mr. Glazier, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, the last hearing we adjourned this for Mr. Bowers to come in and see me. I don't know if he still wants to do that or if he wants to take the plea bargain that's been offered.
So what are you gonna do, Mr. Bowers?
I'd rather wait, so you can go see John. Can I see you today?
You have to
No,
call.
he looks like he's at home.
Okay.
Okay, so, let's see here. Mr. Bowers, last time we were here, you were supposed to set up a time to go see him. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna give you one more adjournment, but if you don't follow through on that, then I'm probably gonna set it for trial, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mr. Glazier, I would ask that you go over to his office today and set up an appointment with him.
Okay.
He's not in the office today, but his staff can set up that appointment. So, Mr. Glazier, December 3rd at 8:30 in the morning.
Yes, Your Honor, that's fine.
Okay, and Miss Adams, could I get a notice of hearing for Mr. Bowers for December 3rd at 8:30 in the morning? All right, so Mr. Bowers, have a seat behind you and we will get that notice of hearing for you. And Mr. Malaro, good job. Ms. Smith has logged in. All right, Ms. Smith, you can unmute your device and start your audio.
Can you hear me?
We can. All right, Mr. Malaro, how do you wish to proceed with Ms. Smith?
Your Honor, Ms. Smith has had a host of medical issues that she's been dealing with. I've kept Mr. Bayonetto apprised of that. I'd ask if we could adjourn this one more time.
How far out?
It's hard to say, Judge. I mean, 30 days, I suppose, because I don't want to get into her details, but
About December 17 at 8:30 in the morning.
that'd be fine.
Can you do this step in order to adjourn?
I will, Your Honor.
And Mr. Sneed, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes, but he refuses to, Judge, so,
Why are we refusing to sign I signed Mr. Sneed's name to everything. No, I'm just kidding.
I've tried to emulate his signature, Judge. I just can't get it right.
Okay, a little SYWP will work. All right, so I give you permission to sign his name with permission. So, all right, Ms. Smith, we'll see you back on December, what did I say? December 17 at 8:30 in the morning. Thank you. Feel better.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so let's go back through the docket. Yeah, we did that one. Wisconsin jail is missing in action. All right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Christopher Keith Taylor, file number 25-22328FH. I have John Glazier appearing on behalf of Mr. Taylor and Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is a date and time set for pretrial. I do not have Mr. Taylor in my waiting room or in the Zoom courtroom. So, Mr. Glazier.
I don't know where he's at, Your Honor. I thought he was there.
Have you talked to him?
Not since the last court hearing.
Okay, well, I'm going to issue a bench warrant for failure to appear and I will set bond in the amount of 25,000 cash. All right, let's see. Oh, that's the one from maybe we'll get at 9:30. All right, I do believe that concludes our docket until such time as perhaps Wisconsin presents Mr. Norman. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
thanks, Judge.